Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, I will give you one of the interesting tricks. Using these tricks, you can very easily stop all types of advertise in your smart television. Your television is a Sony, Samsung or TCL. Currently, I have in TCL TV and the live demonstration, I will show you which method you should apply and afterwards you can watch YouTube video ad-free. Let's start on my TV. So this is my TCL TV. I just simply turn it on the TV here. As I just simply play here one of my video. And look at this here. Here I am receiving right now in advertise. How we can stop this ad very easily? Just simply go back here, TV profile homepage and enter here in the setting section. Afterwards here in the Wi-Fi. If you use in Wi-Fi, it's okay. If you use in directly on LAN cable, it's also okay. You just simply scroll down here and enter here the IP setting. Afterwards here we receive two types of setting. One is a DHCP and second one is a static. So you need to enter static. So here IP address, don't do anything. You just simply come here and say next. Here gateway, don't do anything, just simply say next. Here also network proxy length next. And here in DNA section, DNA 1 and DNA 2 is available. So you can just in the DNA section you need to add here, you need to change the all things this one. So first time we need to add here 94, then 140. This is the static IP. So using this IP you can very easily block all types of advertise. 14 and again 14. They say 94.140.14 and just simply say next. And here DNA you need to change DNA 2 as well. So DNA 2 point of view you need to add here 94 once again. Then again you need to add here 140 and here you need to change. Previously we use in 1414, now we use here 1515. Afterwards say save successfully, go back once again in YouTube. So this is the YouTube and afterwards I play here and boom, without advertise I am playing the video. Second thing, I play here another video and boom, still I am not receiving any ad. Second thing, again I play here one of my videos for the copyright point of view and here I am receiving the ad. Sometimes if you receive the advertise, you just simply open the video and directly using the remote go back again the video, again play. So next time you are not receiving any types of advertise. This is the one of the interesting tips and tricks. Using this process you can very easily avoid the advertise of your smart TV, and same process apply in Amazon Prime, Sony Live and other OTT platform as well. You just simply do this process and afterwards receive ad-free videos and thanks me later. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.